Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate mono audio on your Windows 11. So if you have trouble with your speakers or your audio output, you can try to activate mono audio on Windows 11. So first thing to do, you can click on setting. Then here we go, you can click on system and sound. This is the output option. By default, mono audio is turned off. So you can easily activate by click on this switch. Combine left and right audio channels into one. So feel free to try to activate the mono audio feature on Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.